All right, let's look at the homework 2.6, problem number 9. All right, so I'm going to do this problem using GeoGebra. All right, so I'm going to open up a GeoGebra, all right, which looks like that. All right, first I'm going to define function. So f of x colon equal, so colon equal defines the function, and I have to, let's see, function was 5x squared plus 3 over 2x plus 1. Right, so let's type that guy in. All right, so it's going to be a quantity 5x squared plus 3 over 2x squared plus x plus 1. Right, so hit enter. Right, so we have a graph here. Right, then limit value is, oops, that's not what I want. Limit value is, let's see, 2.5. So what we can do is we can just put y equals 2.5 and hit enter. All right, then epsilon value, so I'm going to actually find epsilon. Let's see here. I'm going to set epsilon to be equal to 0.05, right? Hit enter. All right, then I'm going to do a y equals 2.5 minus epsilon. So we have that and hit enter. All right, so we have that, and it's kind of hard to see from here, so I'm going to just get rid of that, and I'm going to move this picture here and to see if I can expand it a little bit so that it's a little easier to see. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to rescale the y-axis this way. Right, and I'm going to just stretch it out. Right, and I'm going to actually have to shrink it so that I can see the intersection. Right, it's a little pretty tough to see, so I'm going to stretch it even further. Right, so maybe more. Right, it's a little easier to see now. Right. Right, so you can see that this is 2.5. This is a 2.5 minus epsilon. So we need to go inside here. And we can also do, maybe I should do that too. Y equals 2.5 plus epsilon, right? So I'm going to put epsilon there. Right, so it looks like that. Right. So you can see that, so the graph is going to go into the acceptable region. Actually, we can actually, right, so acceptable region is right there. Right, starting from that point on, it seems like it stays inside the acceptable region. So we want to find that point there. Right, so I'm going to use the intersect tool, and I'm going to just go to the intersection and just to click there. Right, so we found the intersection. All right, intersection point is, let's say, 24.27. So if you go to 25, then it would be enough. So the smallest n that we're looking for would be 25, because starting from 25, the graph is going to be within the acceptable region. All right, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.